the Agat YouTube. It's day 7 of Movember. I've been to the hairdressers. I had a consultation with them, and they said that the likes of the colours that I wanted to use they didn't have, but we're working on it. We'll get there eventually. So far I have 3 colours, and a friend of mine has made a very generous donation, or has promised to, of €20 if I shave part of my hair. So that's the easy part. I can do that. I'd like to hear any more suggestions on colours, and if you have any donations that you want to make, by all means, as always, I include the link below. So far, everything's going okay. I have to go up to Bundoran tomorrow for a swim test, which should be great fun. Woo! It's only 400 meters, but we'll see what happens. If I get this, I get an interview, and if I get the interview, I get on a beach lifeguard and surf instructor course, so that ought to keep me occupied for a while. Hope everything is well with you all. Anyone who's viewing this, thank you very much. Subscribe if you want, and leave some comments if you have any more suggestions on topics that I want to do, because after Movember I'm going to try and branch out into other topics. So, see what happens. Gur maith agat, agus slán go fóill.